Hello all, let us look at the Nifty and Banknifty levels which we posted yesterday, how they worked, and we'll also see like how the fresh levels are going to be for tomorrow. So on daily chart, still it didn't break any crucial area. It just made some bit of indecisive candle here on daily chart. Now let us go to the 15 minutes chart. Before that, we'll go to 5 minutes and see how the level worked yesterday. So yesterday it was a bit confusing and all a trapping market. How we are saying that? See, this was the level which we marked. So we thought there are two levels, level above level, and to short from this level, if we see any red candle coming down from here, and otherwise to short from the above level. So even though there could be so many levels, we consider at least two levels. So we thought of shorting from the above level. And now let's see what happens. So the first candle, it was a giant red candle, and the next candle, it broke yesterday low. Normally what any price action trader will do after any candle break out any crucial area, they will wait for the next candle to take out that low and then they will enter put. If you see, everyone could have entered, puts over here. Even myself, I entered put here, and but this was completely trapping, just SL eating market. If you are a bit experienced trader, you can escape from this easily. So after looking at this candle at the end of 5 minutes, it has formed a kind of hammer kind of candle, which shows some bullishness in the market. This itself is indicating to come out of the trade and wait for some another solid red candle to enter in the put. Even if you delayed, there was one more doji candle. This is also giving the indication to come out of the trade. If you are not there, if you could not exit, you got trapped. There was like a huge green candle. This is very unusual. Like in one single candle, we have seen 100 points of move. This normally don't happen in the market. But yesterday, today market, it has given us chance to see this wonderful candle, which was almost like 100 points move candle. Okay. And if you see the next candle itself, it came down. After some time, it slowly reached the first level, and there we are seeing a red candle coming out. This is where you can enter the trade, and your stop loss should be above this, or even you can place above this. That supply 5-minute supply area didn't break, and we have seen nice correction from that level. And later throughout the day, it was just a range bound market. There was no movement at all in the market. So for tomorrow, these will be the levels. The above level will be same, and we don't give much importance to this level because that is not a fresh level. That is coming again inside the level which we marked yesterday. This level got created while reacting to the earlier zone. So we don't give a great importance to this level. So I repeat it again. See, this was our original supply zone. What we expect is when the price go here to this supply area, we want the price to come down from there. While coming down, it has created one more supply level over there. So it has created one more supply. So we don't give weight for that because that is, it didn't create on its own. It was a reaction to the earlier level. So we don't give much importance to this. And if you see any red candle coming from this level, from 17,986 somewhere, that is where you can short the market. So, and there are like multiple levels. Above that, you can wait for 40 points, and you can, if this level is taken out 18,000, you can go long for 40, 50 points. Again, if you see any red candle, you can take one more shot. And again, if market keep moving above 1860 level, this is where you can enter call one more time. This is how we should trade for tomorrow. So there are no great demand levels on the lower level, and even the low whatever it made today, that could be crucial. If it go below this, it is going to be a full bearish market. And now let us look on Bank Nifty. So on daily chart, Bank Nifty performed little stronger than Nifty. It has even formed a nice green hammer kind of thing. Compared to Nifty, this is much stronger. Now let us quickly go to 5 minutes and let us see how the level worked, whether the level worked or not. So this was the 5 minutes level which we marked yesterday. Even this is also a trapping market uh, in Bank Nifty as well. So first two candles it cut previous low with a strong bullish bearish candle, and in the next candle itself it started coming out. So one should have exit their trade around these candles. If not, they might have got trapped here. I'm talking about the price action traders. Coming to demand and supply traders, if you see, normally we wait for a red candle to come out of this level in order to take a trade, or to go long, we want some nice green candle. That is when we go long. But if you look at this candle, normally with some experience, when you see such a huge candle cutting off or reaching the supply area, we prefer not to enter the trade even without knowing anything. If you entered here, the closing didn't happen above the level, in the next candle itself it has given a good return. So this, if you see this candle, this one single candle moved like more than 400 points, almost 400 points. If you are a supply trader and if you have entered trade here in this level, even this red candle itself, it has given more than 300 points of profit. Basically, if you're a little bit experienced, we normally don't trade because these are like very unusual candles. One single candle making a move of 300-400 points is not a normal thing in the market. So normally we don't prefer to trade in such markets. And later it broke that level, and throughout the day it was a sideways market. There was something interesting happened. Normally what people do, they will mark the levels like this because it tried to make some high, it went came down again, it tried to break that level, came down. So when you do that for multiple times, people wait for the breakout. So if you see in this candle, there was this nice breakout, but it was a fake breakout. The high of that candle has been not taken out and it started coming down. So even if you mark some trend line over here, this was marked on my computer. The moment I saw this coming out, I want the price to go even higher above this candle, because see, this was acting like kind of support. Once the trend has been broken, the same support will become resistance. That is what happened here. So that is what happened today, and let us look for the levels for tomorrow. If you see Bank Nifty closing opening above, and if it sustains little bit over here, you can definitely look to go long, and your upside target will be almost close to 42,700. And if you see, even during the day, you can use these two levels, 42,125 and 41,835. If you see any green candle coming out, you can try to enter long with this small stop loss, and you can do the same thing over here. If you get chance to see market going below this level, so that will turn, like, whole market into complete bearish mode. That is about the Bank Nifty levels for today. And let us also take a look on 15 minutes chart. 15 minutes also telling you the same story. We have supply around 42,700. So if these levels are taken out, This line is very important because if you see at some point it took support around this area and it went high and it tried to hold this level for some time and eventually it broke down. Again, it went up above the level it came, and now the same area it is facing resistance. So above this line, above 42,300, if you see any candle, nice green candle sustaining above this, definitely we can look to go long with a target of 42,700. And if you really want to short the market, the best thing is to go short below previous low, which is below 41,830. If you want to do some scalping, you can also short below 42,070, 80 levels. I hope this will help you with your trading today. Thank you for watching.